I'm showing you this SYMA store do-it-yourself drone for kids. So it's a SYMA X440 RC drones with a detachable arms, remote control quadcopter toy with a 7-color LED light, 360-degree flips and circle fly. So here is the all pack, comes in a 2 boxes, nice packing. And then in these 2 boxes there are the different sets. So this is the main drone. So this is the central part. This is the battery. So you can take this battery case out, and there are 2 batteries with it so that you can use. So you can charge one and the other. So these are like the names are written on it, like B1, A1, A2. You can just join this one according to the numbers on it. So assembly is pretty straightforward. This is the additional battery that comes with it. So manual, accessories. So these are the side wings or the protectors. So extra screws, fan blades, charging cable, screwdriver, nut bolts. So everything is supplied with it in case you need any extra one. And this is the charging cable you can put in here and just put in the USB. These are the protector you can use on the sides. The remote control, so you have to take this screw out to take this wire, and you have to put 4 AAA batteries in it. So I am just taking this screwdriver out and putting this battery, so you can see like I have to put these batteries here. So I put the batteries and now just checking the manual how to operate it. So all the instructions are provided here. We have done the assembly part, and now this is a one touch button up and down, like the rotation and everything. So let's see what we can do with this. So these are the screws and things and all other accessories with it. Press this on and off button so that it will be right, and then on and off button here you can change this LED lights that you can easily change to the color you want, and then to set it up and down of the left button. So if you do up and down of left button it will start, and then this will start the fan. Now I will just check like how this will go here, a little bit of the different style. So you can also set it as a one altitude that you can see it here, and it will go on its own up and down button. Hopefully you can see it through the distance. I will try to go closer so that you can see it. And this is a one button up and down, or the on and off thing, like taking off and then coming down on the floor, that you can easily do with the right button on the side. So it's a fun for the kids drone.